What's up guys? So for today's video, I will be teaching you how to create a WhatsApp channel. So as you can see here, we have the WhatsApp application. Go to that, click that, and then once you're inside, under the tabs, as you can see below, you can see updates. So from calls, communities, chats, please click update like so. And then once you're in, you can see different options, and they are also popping up different channels, existing channels like so. But what you need to do is under channels here in the middle portion, you can see the plus sign on the far right side. Click on that, and then pick create channel, and then accept, and then you're in. You can just input your channel name, description, your picture, and then click create channel once it becomes a blue or green button. That's it. Thank you for watching.